Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can send tons from Bybit onto Tonkeeper. So the first thing you want to do is go to Tonkeeper here. And then once you're on the app, you want to press this button here, receive. On receive, you'll have this address. You can copy that. Make sure to copy this address here. And then let's go back onto Bybit. And on Bybit, just go to assets and then withdraw. And I can't withdraw right now because it's still checking my withdrawal conditions, but it will look like this. And as you can see, there's a please enter field here. You want to enter the address there and then set your amount. This is on Bitcoin, but change it to tons and then enter the amount and then press submit. After you press submit, it'll be done in about 3 minutes or 4 minutes or so.